What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I'm back with another video. So this video, I'm showing you guys how to do a quick ponytail with one bundle of hair. And so of course I use my Jamaican and lime growth spray and my argan oil gel edge control. Now this style is really quick, and I would say it's for people with longer hair, because how I'm doing it is really quick so you can get out the house. So I'm applying the edge control to the edges and the back of my hair. So you just want to gather your hair into a ponytail at the top of your head. Depending on where you want your ponytail to sit, you can go higher or you can go lower. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to flat iron my ponytail. Flat iron the entire ponytail, because I'm going to use one bundle of 18-inch Brazilian hair. And I'm pretty much just going to blend it in with the bundles. So because my hair is longer, it's kind of hard to cover up the hair unless you do those styles where you're wrapping it around the ponytail, and I'm not doing that. This is a quick ponytail, wrap it around and go. So then you just grab your bobby pins once you find your spot to pin it in place. And then just start wrapping it around your ponytail. And then once you're finished wrapping it, you can just take a piece of the hair and then wrap it around the ponytail as well. So once your ponytail is secure, then you just want to brush the ponytail and blend it in with your hair and the bundle hair. And again, this is for short people with longer hair. Now I just use one bundle. You can use 2 bundles if you want. That's your choice. If you want it thicker or longer, it's your choice as well. But again, this was just a quick little, let me hurry up and get out the house ponytail. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Toya Cherie, and I will see you all in my next video.